course, you can see some of the influences from the EQS back pattern, where the arrows are different shapes onto the ground, warning signs, even zebra crossings. So that's actually something. Still has a bit of that kind of eggy look, because of course with electric Mercedes and electric cars in general, any kind of drag. So they make aerodynamics an absolute top priority. World's most aerodynamic production car. And unlike the other electric Mercedes that you've seen, which is not very aerodynamic by the way, but it looks very fancy. All right, also, headlights. See these kind of daytime running lights? They look like little daggers or stairs. They look very sharp. Wheels, these are 21-inch monoblocks. And what's strange is that even though they're 21s, the car is so big that the exclusive to Maybach, but these ones won't fold under the car to let everyone else know that you're a very twirls going on. You hear this sound?